Alright guys, just made a trip to Goodwill. Got this little guy for $1.99. It's a Eden. What's it comp at?
About 130.
About 130, believe it or not. So be on the lookout for that brand. This I didn't comp. It's Piggy from a video game. My grandbaby likes that, so if it ain't worth nothing, she'll be getting it. This I think was like 20 or 30. It's Hasbro something. Hasbro Softies from 1981. This one I'm thinking is like 20 to 30. Some Jordans. That was 4 something. Kid size. This imported beer mirror was $8. And give me the Willie. I may wear this. It's a Willie Nelson Texas Roadhouse headband. And let's see. Then I got this big mirror for a man cave. And it was 20. And fairly certain it has to be an old one. And a couple of books. So I'm going to research the mirrors, and I don't know, thinking probably 75 maybe. I don't know. That won't be going on eBay though.